There are no ads in this video from companies trying to sponsor my work on YouTube. These are purely my thoughts and opinions. I hope you enjoy them. Leave me a comment if you agree or not. The impact of an e-bike on a senior's life can vary depending on individual preferences, lifestyle, and health conditions. However, in general, e-bikes can have several potential benefits for seniors. Increased mobility. E-bikes provide assisted pedaling, which can be especially beneficial for seniors with limited mobility or joint issues. The electric motor helps with pedaling, making it easier to cover longer distances and navigate hills. Exercise and fitness. While e-bikes offer assistance, riders still engage in physical activity by pedaling. This can contribute to improved cardiovascular health, muscle strength, and overall fitness. Seniors can control the level of assistance based on their fitness level and gradually increase their physical activity. Social interaction. E-biking can be a social activity. Riding with friends and family or joining local e-bike groups provides opportunities for social interaction and engagement, promoting mental well-being. Environmental impact. E-bikes are more environmentally friendly than traditional gas-powered vehicles. Choosing an e-bike can contribute to a reduced carbon footprint, supporting environmental sustainability. Cost savings. E-bikes are generally more cost-effective than maintaining a car. They require minimal maintenance, and the cost of charging the battery is significantly lower than fueling a vehicle. Independence. E-bikes offer an independent mode of transportation. Seniors can easily run errands, visit friends, or attend events without relying on others for transportation. Mental health benefits. Outdoor activities, such as e-biking, can positively impact mental health. Exposure to fresh air, sunlight, and the enjoyment of the surrounding environment can contribute to a positive mood and reduce stress. Adaptability. E-bikes come in various styles, including step-through frames for easy mounting, dismounting, making them accessible for seniors. Some models also have features like cargo space for carrying groceries or other items. Before deciding to purchase an e-bike, it's crucial to consider individual health conditions, preferences, and local regulations. Seniors should consult with their healthcare provider to ensure that e-biking is a suitable and safe activity for their specific situation. Additionally, it's essential to familiarize oneself with local laws and regulations regarding e-bike usage. I truly hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up and comment along with subscribing to be notified when I post another video. Thanks for riding along with Gary's Resolve. Have a great day.